Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to specify repost notifications on Threads on Android. If you're someone who uses Threads regularly, you know how important it is to control your notification settings to avoid being overwhelmed. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to specify repost notifications on Threads on Android. To get started, open the Threads app on your Android phone and log into your account. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture, located in the bottom center of the screen. Next, tap the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to open Settings. From there, select Notifications. Now tap on Threads and Replies. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your notification settings. Scroll down to the Repost section and choose how you want to be notified when someone reposts your message. You can choose to receive a notification every time someone reposts your message. Or you can choose to receive a daily summary of all the reposts you received that day. By specifying your repost notifications on Threads, you can ensure that you're only notified when it matters most to you. This can help you stay focused and avoid being overwhelmed by constant notifications. In addition to specifying repost notifications, you can also customize other settings in Threads to make your experience more comfortable. For example, you can choose who can see your online status, who can add you as a friend, and who can see your story. One thing to keep in mind is that if you don't specify your repost notifications, you may miss important messages that were reposted. This can be frustrating and may cause you to miss important updates from your close friends. And that's it. Now you know how to specify repost notifications on Threads on Android. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to customize your notification settings to make your Threads experience more enjoyable.